Hi everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install PHP on Windows and how to run PHP files in command prompt on Windows 10. So right now, as soon as I have my command prompt open, it says PHP is not recognized, and this means that it's not installed. So what we'll need to do now is that we'll need to open php.net. So php.net, and when you open php.net, click on downloads at the top. Then from here you'll need to click on Windows Downloads. Then you're going to download the first one right here that says zip 64. So click on it and just wait for it to download the PHP files. So once it's downloaded, what you'll need to do is that you will need to simply right click on it and extract it here. So when you extract them, it's going to look like that. So after unzipping the files, what you'll need to do is that you'll need to select all of the files and then right click on cut and go to the C drive, and right here you are going to create a new folder and you can call it PHP. Alright, just name it PHP and paste the files here. So once we do that, we have the PHP ready in our C drive. And what we are going to do now is that we are going to open the php.ini. So we are going to copy it. So right click there and go to copy. Then right click there and paste it. So we'll have a copy of it. Now we are going to name it to php.ini. Alright. So it's an ini file now. So right here we have the php.ini now. And I'm going to open it with Visual Studio Code. Now I'm going to scroll it until 768. So 768. So 68 is right here. I'm going to simply enable this by deleting the semicolon. And right now, if you scroll down more, on line, let's see. So on line 924, you'll notice that there are some extensions that you can enable by deleting the semicolons. So it's up to you which ones you are going to use, but I have enabled the BZ2, the curl, the FTP, and the MySQLi. And now after we have this, we are going to go to the file and save. So we will save our php.ini. And I'm going to close this now, and what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to click on start and I'm going to type in var, and when I type in var, it's going to show me edit system environment variables. So just one click on it and you should see the system properties right here. So now what you're going to do is that you are going to click on environment variables, then you are going to click on new, and this is the variable name, so we will call it path. Alright, and right here we are going to browse the directory and we are going to select where we have installed the PHP. So we have the PHP folder here, so one click on the PHP folder and click on OK and click on OK again. So you'll notice that we will have a path with c.php. And right here, what we are going to do is that we are going to do the same thing. So we are going to click on new, browse directory, go to this PC, C, PHP, and click on OK, and you can name it path. Alright, so click on OK now, and click on OK on this one. So now if we restart the command prompt, so we can say cmd, and if I type in PHP, so let me zoom in so you can see it better. So if I type in PHP-v, it's going to show you the PHP version that you have, and as you see it says Zen Technology, stuff like that. So now we have PHP installed, but right now let's say that I want to run a PHP file with the command prompt. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to move the index.php. So I have a PHP file here. So I'm going to move it in the directory of the PHP folder. So right here I can create a new directory or a new folder. I can call it my files, for example, and I can place my PHP file here, and you can edit this with any text editor. I have a variable that has number 5 and a variable with number 4, and it echoes the total of those two numbers. So to run this file with the command prompt, what we would do is that we would type in php space c colon backslash php /my files /index.php. So what we have done here is that we said php open C drive. Alright, this is our PHP directory. Open my files, then /index.php, because that's the name of the PHP file. So now if I press enter, it says 9. So we have run that command prompt successfully. And also, so right here I can say, for example, echo hello world. Alright, just like that. And if I save this, so to run it again with command prompt, I can say php space c colon /php /my files, because that's the name of the folder, remember when you created it inside of the PHP file. So /index.php. So press enter. It says hello world. So this is how basically you install PHP on Windows, and this is how you run PHP with command prompt. Alright everyone, so I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions you can always contact me on Discord. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos.